Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, March the 26th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the binary puzzle and the jigsaw Sudoku. Okay, let me continue with the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8256. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 17 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. We have here 3 ones. If we place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the second row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double check: 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Correct! In 2 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.